A very, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, what a bright way to start a brand new experience. Yes, today we all are here for a very special reason. Definitely we are going to talk about it in a while. But before that, as we can see, we have few special guests today, right here, right now with us. Talking about them, he is my favorite, he is everyone's favorite, he is like the ever shining sun. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a huge round of applause, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt. And we also got one more special guest. I still remember when I was in school that film came, Pyar Mein Kabhi Kabhi, and everyone, I was in a girls' school, all the girls went mad. Who is this charming guy? Yes, I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dino Moria. So please welcome with a huge round of applause, Mr. Dino Moria. Please take your seats. It's a very special moment, it's a very special day. As we know, today we are here for the book launch, talking about the book. Fiction is a way of storytelling with imaginary people in imaginary circumstances, and its power is immense. The characters become a part of life. They surround you, love you, haunt you, and many a times influence you. The author of Introspection has crafted the tale with the purpose of depicting some of the conjectures ingrained in our society using the predisposing power of fiction. The vivid journey of Arushi and Aniket is extremely relatable. After a blissful courtship period, they finally tied the knot. And they shifted from Kolkata to Mumbai. Life was beautiful, but how long? And to know the answer, I definitely have to come to you, Auritra. We are going to talk about it, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to share a few things about our author, Auritra Sengupta. Auritra is a very special lady. She's my favorite because Auritra is a chemical engineer by profession and author and blogger by passion. She works with Reliance Industries Limited as senior technologist. Auritra has a website called Tends to Tell, where she shares her travel diaries and voices her protest. Around 3 years back, she had embarked his journey of introspection with the perspective of using the power, the fiction, to convey social messages. She weaved an entwining tale of varied characters with different perspectives towards life. She has devised the tale in the manner that it caters to popular taste and subtly delivers the messages it intends to. She believes that narration should be lucid and enriching, and that is just the beginning, trust me. She will continue to narrate forever and touch millions of hearts. So, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the author, Auritra Sengupta. And finally, we got our special guest, and obviously Auritra, and because of her today, we all are here. So, the moment is here, the time has come. So, let's unveil the book.
Where is the book? Back to the books. Are we getting signed copies already? Thank you. बोलिए साथ में
The moment is here, ladies and gentlemen. I would also like to call Malini. Malini, wherever you are, please join us here.
Yeah, Malini, please join. She's from the publisher side. She's from Become Shakespeare. Malini, please come on, guys, please.
Okay. Hi, Malini. Become Shakespeare. Hi. Congratulations.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got the book, Introspection. Please put your hands together.
For introspection.
Yes.
Let's introspect.
Let's the journey begin, and this is a completely new journey. We finally got introspection. तालियां थोड़ा जोरदार हो जाए पीछे जो भी है सबसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ मैं. Yes, that's the spirit. Introspection by Audrey Sen-Gupta.
Okay, look down. Center, center, down. Right, right, up, center, enough.
I would also request, we have in the house a lady who is also a great writer. Surita Di, please join us here. I would also like to call Surita Di here. Please come here, Surita Di. Thank you so much for coming, everyone.
Yeah, all of you, one more group photo.
All right, Rajesh, all right.
Yeah, all of you. राकेश भाई क्या बात? अरे एक मिनट यार complete.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. The floor will be open very soon for the media questions and all. So right now, I have few questions, and as I said that we got few very special guests here, so I have asked few questions to them. So Auritra, as I said, I have to come to you to talk about the book. So please say a few things about the book. I already read it. It's amazing. It's a beautiful thing.
Thank you so much, Deepanita, for the question. And before answering it, I would like to thank Mahesh ji and Dino ji for coming here, and also the entire media, Malini from my publishing side, for gracing this occasion. It's such a wonderful day for me, and I cannot express in words. To talk about my book, it's been like I've always wanted to write something, and around 3 years back, I had started with this journey of introspection. Basically, I have always related to fiction. I think fiction is a medium by which the characters become palpable, and through them, I can subtly give certain messages, catering to popular taste as well. So this book is about Aniket and Arushi and their evocative journey, how they fall in love, how they get married and come in Bombay. And life was blissful. But how long? As she said, but how long? Things changed and personalities altered as hard reality attacked their dreams. As Aniket, who's extremely careerist, faces an unprecedented downfall in his career graph, his persona undergoes a radical change. Addiction, depression changes him into a draconian, and Arushi from a distance witnesses him but cannot do anything. But then you may ask, what's new? The newness of the book is, it is not about Aniket. It is about the Anikets. It is about the Anikets of the society and how Anikets are created. It is about the conjectures which are ingrained in the nascent mind, and how it is transferred from generation to generation. So it's my subtle attempt to give the messages through fiction, which has a predisposing power, I believe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So I think the relatability is something that made me choose the subject.
Thank you so much, sir. I would love to ask you one question. I know you read a lot and maybe every kind of thing, but what kind of books attract you as a reader, particularly? Like what type of stories or what type of book you prefer to read?
Well, I don't have one specific space that I kind of devour. I read, I'm a book junkie. I always love books. And I nowadays read less of fiction and I read more of memoirs and non-fiction. Because the appetite for fiction has been catered to now by the web space and audiovisual content that falls into our homes. But yes, there are certain books that suddenly strike you and then grab you. But those are very rare. But what is heartening is to see young writers who come from Kolkata, she's a chemical engineer, she goes to Reliance, Surat, and comes to Mumbai, and he urges to tell stories. And compels her to put pen to paper. Pen to paper is an old reference. I mean, you must have worked on your iPad, maybe your smartphone, and you finally have come up with this. And anybody who thinks this is an ordinary achievement does not know what writing is. It's only he who has written knows how difficult it is to write. It's only writers who respect writing of any and every kind. So I'm very happy that we have people, women, young women, who are stretching themselves, who kind of make their kind of ends meet through a different platform completely. You're an engineer, but you still have this overriding need to write. And I think that's what makes you special. And my boss, last Ustan Babu, I began my film career in Ireland, but he was saying that it's easy for a filmmaker to lie in his biography or his memoir. But when it comes to fiction, you can't lie. A writer gets completely stripped off all pretenses and is revealed for what he or she is. So I bet this movie, this book, though it's called fictional, has a lot of you in it. And you don't have to be a genius to detect what is it. At times, people use fiction as a big leap to tell their own stories. And that's what is so therapeutic. And you don't need psychiatrists. Once you have led on the page, as I say, you're purged of that particular ailment that is kind of not getting service. I feel it's a very, very brave endeavor of yours, and I congratulate you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would love to ask you the same question.
Well, yeah. I actually took a book from Barsab called The Autobiography of Cocaine, which was...
You gave it after 10 years.
And I kept it. And then I realized, Barsab...
Dirty the cover.
No, I did not. As a matter of fact, I gave it to your nephew more. I read a lot. Me too. Less of fiction now and more biographies, autobiographies, memoirs, those kind of stories. But having said that, what's interesting is that I would like to congratulate this chemical engineer who's now writing about chemistry, relationships, and books. It's really, really interesting. So we'd love to read introspection and understand what the book of fiction is all about. But nevertheless, having said that, like what Sab says, it takes a lot. It takes someone really brave to come here and write and actually get their book published. And congratulations, and I hope it does really well for you. Thank you. Good luck in the future for all this.
Thank you so much. Anita, I want to ask you, just thankful to this case Fabul, our venue partner, for giving us this cozy and beautiful venue. So, basically, a huge round of applause for Fabul. So, now the floor is open for media people. I'm sure you guys have more questions. So, if you need to join movies, the floor is open. You guys can go ahead.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन एक ऐसी किताब है जिसको आप जरूर पढ़िए, क्योंकि एक नौजवान पीढ़ी की दिल की आवाज़ आपको इसमें सुनाई देगी। हरित्रा जी जो कलकत्ता से सूरत होते हुए मुंबई आई हैं, उनके अंदर वो आग थी कि उन्होंने जाकर पब्लिशर को खोजा और आखिरकार अपने दिल की बात जो है लफ्ज़ों के ज़रिए आप तक पहुंचाई है। और ये एक वाकई मुबारक दिन है कि आपके बीच एक नौजवान पीढ़ी की एक नई आवाज़ मौजूद है। और हिंदुस्तान की खासियत यही है कि आप का रोज़मर्रा का काम कुछ भी हो, आप हाउसवाइफ हो, आप केमिकल इंजीनियर हो, मगर आपके अंदर कहानी सुनने और कहने का अगर जज्बा हो तो आप यकीनन वो प्यास पूरी कर सकते हैं। और मेरी बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद है मेरी तरफ से। बिकम शेक्सपियर का पब्लिशिंग हाउस है, उन्होंने सुना कि एक पूरे प्रोसेस के बाद में ये पुस्तक जो है पब्लिश की है। 5000 जो हैं पोटेंशियल राइटर्स जो थे, उन्होंने अपना जो सैंपल भेजा था इनको और उनमें से ये चुनी गई हैं। तो थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग न्यू टैलेंट।
सर निजी लाइफ में आप बुक पढ़ना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, तो कैसे टाइप के आपको बहुत पसंद है जो डेली लाइफ में आप पढ़ते हैं?
मैं फिक्शन बहुत कम पढ़ता हूँ, मगर मेमोइर्स और करंट अफेयर्स की बिहाइंड द सीन्स जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए स्पेशलिस्ट के पर्सपेक्टिव से ज़िंदगी को समझने की कोशिश।
ओके सर, आपने कोई ऐसा पहला या कुछ पढ़ा है ये बुक के बारे में या
ये एक अवसर है जब हम आकर नौजवान पीढ़ी के राइटर्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि एक लेखक ही समझ सकता है कि लिखना कितना मुश्किल काम है। और ख़ास करके आज की तारीख में जहाँ पर आप व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजिंग करते हैं और कागज़ और कलम इस्तेमाल ही नहीं करते हैं, तो मेरा ये मानना है कि जब भी आपको कोई आपके आसपास एक ऐसा व्यक्ति मिले जिसके अंदर कहानी कहने की क्षमता है, तो उसे सपोर्ट ज़रूर कीजिए। तो मैं इनको सपोर्ट करने आया।
सर आपको अगर मौका मिले अपना आपकी बायोपिक करने या ऐसा कुछ लिखने अपने ऊपर, तो आपकी जर्नी के बारे में आप बुक लिखना चाहिए?
मैंने अपनी सारी ज़िंदगी जो भी किया अपनी ज़िंदगी से हासिल करके ही किया है। फिल्में बनाई हैं और जो अपने जीवन पे आधारित थी, और वो फिल्मों के लिए पहले लिखना पड़ता फिर फिल्में बनती हैं। मगर हाँ, ये जिसका जिक्र कर रहे हैं आप कि क्या मेरी ज़िंदगी की जो सच्चाइयाँ हैं वो किसी बुक फॉर्म में कभी आएंगी? यकीनन आएंगी। हमारे साथ सुनीता जो जी आई हैं, जो लेखक हैं, जो हम मेरे साथ काम कर रही हैं, वो एक प्रोसेस में बहुत ही शिद्दत से इन्वॉल्व है कि वो मेरी ज़िंदगी को एक बुक फॉर्म में रिप्रोड्यूस करके पेश करें।
फेवरेट राइटर की बात करें तो आपकी फेवरेट राइटर कौन है?
एक राइटर कभी होता नहीं है। दुनिया में अलग अलग मुख्तलिफ किस्म के लोग हैं और उनके दृष्टि से हमने ज़िंदगी को चखा है। तो कोई एक व्यक्ति का नाम लेना और इतने बड़े क्षेत्र को एक व्यक्ति के सोच से में ही बांध देना अन्याय होगा, इतने विराट एक स्पेस के साथ।
सर देखा जाए तो 90 का एरा ऐसा लग रहा है वापस आने वाला है। यहाँ पे धमकियाँ मिल रही है एक्ट्रेस को, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में? कितना ये सही है? देखा जाए तो एक तरफ उसे एक्टर को प्यार करते हैं और दूसरी तरफ धमकियाँ देते हैं।
मुझे लगता है ये बुक लॉन्च का एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर हमें पुस्तक से संबंधित ही सवाल पूछने चाहिए और जवाब देने चाहिए, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कि ऐसे सवाल जो हैं आपकी सुर्खियाँ जो है बन जाती हैं। मगर मेरा जो इंटेंशन है आके एक नौजवान लेखक को सपोर्ट करने का है, इसलिए मैं इस पर कोई कमेंट नहीं करूँगा।
book is all about bias norms in the society. So how much you feel is bias in the society?
The biases are a reality, and that's what writers deal with within themselves and also outside, and they try to deconstruct them, battle with them, and create fictional endings which perhaps are difficult to create in day-to-day life. So, as they say, a writer is a fairer god. What is not possible in real life, a writer achieves in his own universe.
So, sir, will you make a film on this novel?
I've not even read the novel. I find the idea very engaging, but every book that we read, we do not look at it through the prism of converting it into a film. As I said, I've come here to applaud a young talent because I think it is very difficult in this age and time, especially in this attention deficit era where people do not have time to concentrate, to have a young writer pull out a story after doing a job which is from a different field of being an engineer. So it's an extraordinary achievement and I've come here to applaud it. हमने ही किया था रीमेक, तो ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि दुकान चलानी पड़ती है। फ्रैंचाइज जो है, फ्रैंचाइज की कामयाबी की क्षमता जो है ज़्यादा होती है, मगर रिस्क भी 10 गुना ज़्यादा हो जाता है, क्योंकि अक्सर रीमेक के बारे में ये कहा जाता है कि वो ओरिजिनल के बराबर है ही नहीं।
सर, आपने सुना था सड़क 2 भी बहुत ही जल्द बनने वाली है, तो उनकी क्या स्टेटस है?
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन।
Introspection, I haven't read it yet, but I would like to say that I would like to congratulate Ritra ji for the release of this book. जैसे भट्ट साहब ने कहा, किताब लिखना बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ है, कोई आसान बात नहीं है, और जो इनका पब्लिशर है उन्होंने कहा कि 5000 कहानियों में से ये कहानी चुन चुकी है, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग स्टेप एंड मुबारकबाद मैं उनको देना चाहता हूँ। आई एंजॉय रीडिंग बुक्स, और जैसे भट्ट साहब ने कहा कि आजकल जो अटेंशन डेफिसिट जनरेशन है, क्योंकि आजकल सोशल मीडिया और जो टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए इतने मतलब people don't have that time to concentrate and focus for at least an hour, 2 hours on a book, but I enjoy reading books.
What type of books you read?
I read non-fiction. Yes. I mean, I like biographies. Like, for instance, the latest I've read is Elon Musk and his story. So उस तरह की किताब मुझे बहुत पसंद है।
बायोपिक का काफी ट्रेंड है, तो अभी जैसे आपने बायोग्राफी की बात की,
लिखने का या पिक्चर में?
पिक्चर में, तो
जी।
आप किसका रोल प्ले करना चाहेंगे?
अगर ऐसा कोई किरदार है जो मैं निभाना चाहता हूँ, भट्ट साहब, व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट? भट्ट साहब की जिंदगी है, हाँ वो तो कर लेता हूँ सर, कर लेता हूँ। So yes, I'd like to play Bhatt Sahab's life because Bhatt Sahab has had a fantastic life and a very colorful life.
Still under work in progress.
और वो भी चालू है।
एक्चुअली इंस्पिरेशन तो सोसाइटी से ही मिला है, सोसाइटी से रिलेटेबल स्टोरी है, तो इंस्पिरेशन इज ऑल द पीपल अराउंड मी, दे हैव इंस्पायर्ड मी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई ऑलवेज हैड दिस इंटेंशन टू राइट अ बुक जिसके थ्रू मैं ये मैसेजेस दे पाऊँ, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम वो पढ़ने में भी लोगों को शायद अच्छी लगे, तो आई ट्राइड गिविंग सर्टन मैसेजेस इन थ्रू फिक्शन, दैट वाज द इंटेंशन एंड दैट वाज द इंस्पिरेशन एज वेल। सो बीइंग एन इंजीनियर देन हाउ कम अ राइटर? Yeah, actually that is a very tough task, and for that I have to give certain credit to my husband, Abhishek. He's there, he's taking pictures. So he has been really supportive because after coming from office, it's not an easy task to write a book, but thanks to the support I get from him. There are many. Sir ने जैसे बोला एक जन का नाम बोलना गलत होगा. There are many favorite writers, and I love reading as such. तो बहुत सारे हैं. देखिए research in the sense, yes, I did a lot of research because I had a little part of psychiatry involved, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई की थी, इंटरनेट से देख के, थोड़ा बहुत पूछ के लोगों से, बट बाकी चीज़ें जो है वो फिक्शनल है, इमेजिनरी है, थोड़ा बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस आसपास के लोगों का भी है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग।